So what do you think? Is it closing off up there? Because I can get up right here.
I can still see, there's still some footprints up in here.
I'm going to check this out right here.
Okay.
We're trying to climb up and out of the canyon. See exactly where we are. And I'm looking east. Here's the sun. Turned out to be an impenetrable wall of... Yeah! Okay. I tried to get up here. It's just a 6-foot wall. A 6-foot wall of manzanita. No getting through. Look at that. There's just no getting through this. So I'm gonna try going back down and look for another route. Oh, right in the shin. Are you in a clearing over there?
Maybe.
This side's closing off. There is an option to drop into the gully to our left, but it looks pretty thick.
Well, you probably ought to stay over here then.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back that way. Let's see what the cave looks like. It might be, huh? Oh no, just shadow. Check it out. That one up there, just shadow. Okay, the pack. This is one of the packs that started the ultralight craze that swept the nation. People got more involved and excited by going ultralight than doing the actual hiking. I saw one guy back east, every time Z-Packs would come out with something, he'd get it new. I shaved 3 grams, but he never went on his hike. He's always promising to go on a hike. When he went on one hike in the Appalachian Trails, he said he was going to go in for 14 days. The second day, he said, "This is not for me." And he just reverted back to reviews out of his front yard. But this is the pack that started it all, and they used to sell it at REI. I'll tell you a little bit about this pack. Okay, but in this pack, I'm able to go for 4 or 5 days. No frame, frameless pack, one of the first frameless packs. It's a great pack. My first one was blue. I ended up giving that to my nephew. I ended up getting the black one when it came out. One thing about those foxtails is it makes for some uncomfortable walking, huh, Joey?
You know you're a little troublemaker, foxtail. Foxtail. I hate these things. Look at, they destroyed my darn tufts.
So we're in
foxtail country.
We're gonna go up here, hit this ridge, take a look over the other side, ride that ridge over to that yucca, probably come down through that rock scree, hit that trail there, that scree, and we're gonna bring that rocks over. Oops, sorry. Over to aim for that burnt tree, that one big burnt out tree, and drop down right through there. It looks like we can get down right there. I think we can drop over the edge and come around right there, and we should have a view of them falls. After we get that view, then we decided, rather than go back what we went through, I can hear the falls really good from right here. After we get the view, we're going to take that rock, them rocks, not the upper one, but the lower one. Shoot for that rusty looking broken off tree. We're going to shoot all the way down, then we're going to aim for those two, that field gold. When we hit that field gold, we'll know not to continue because it starts climbing. We won't be able to see it down there, but we'll veer off this way and head for that burnt tree. So we're going from burnt to broken to field gold to burnt. And that should drop us down pretty close to where we can drop into this original canyon and get back out. We just got to get back to that bend in the road. The truck's back there. Then from there we'll go find a place to kick back for the night. Talk about what we've seen and possibly see something else. Maybe meet somebody along the way. Who knows? You can hear water down here. Looks like the old remnants of a cabin up there. Looks like the remnants of a high trail.
Oh yeah.
Hold on to that branch that comes out of the main. There you go. There you go. And don't, that rock you're putting your knee on, that's all loose. Rock, 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 high school. Here, whoa! Whoa! The ground's giving out below me.
Yeah, these guys are getting ready to go too.
Oh, you can hold on to this tree on the left. Oh yeah, look at that waterfall. It'd be right there, dude. We can hike right down to it. We're above the falls right now. Oh, deep. Let's kick back and rest right here in the shade for a few.
Yeah, there might even be a nice flat spot right here.
Look at this. You wouldn't even know this is here. I found no mention of this. Years ago, a guy that lived in Soldier Creek, the last guy in Soldier Creek, he's gone now. He didn't die that I know of. I don't think he died recently, but I know 5-6 months ago he popped in for a while, but he had to leave the mountain because of his age. His wife passed on. Only he's up here, so he comes and goes to the cabin. He's a lowlander now, flatlander. But he told me about this place years ago. It's taken me a while to get up here. Yeah, it's really slippery over here. I mean, you're not gonna fall far, but you're gonna fall and have a hard time getting back up. Gnarly. Oh. Dude, it's a big falls. There's a big drop off over here. Whoa! Ah. Whoa! Watch out! This big log slides. The whole log. Tick tock, tick in me arm, ticking me off. Try this side first. It's way dangerous this side. Yeah, I can't get anywhere near the edge. Maybe here. Over here, I can't get anywhere near the edge. Maybe over there on that side. That's pretty hairy. Getting near that, I don't know.
Pretty sketchy.
Yeah. think that's as far as I'm going. I'm not going any closer than that. It looks like about a 80-footer though. You know what?
Oh yeah, you can totally tell.
Look, if we went back down, we'd have to get through all that brush and climb the opposite side. It looks like there's an old road over there, dude. Look.
Almost, yeah.
And if we could get up this side, we could probably view the falls. You're looking at 2 hours though. You can't get anywhere near the edge on that side, huh? Dude, yeah, there's like an 80-foot falls here. Watch this, yuck it down. That was far, dude.
Yeah.
Watch. That's far. This is a pretty big falls. Amazing it's taken so long to find it. So long to make it back here.
You take your pack off so you can hang out.
Huh?
I'm scared watching you do that. I do not want to see you fall.
This is as far as I'm going. Okay, so take a look over there. That ridge over there, that's above the West Fork. That right there is Blair Witch Canyon. That is Smith Peak. Now, whoa, 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 whoa. We came in through there. Look at that. This is about an 80-foot waterfall. 80, or you think there's more than 80? This might be more than 80, huh?
It's all of 80.
Well, look how far down the rocks are. It's all of 80, if not more. Right on. I need to go back over that. Sketchy. That side, forget it. You can't go near that side. That side's way too slick. You'd have to tie a rope to that tree up there. That side's way too slick. Slick! If I had like a 30-foot selfie stick, I could go out there. Yeah, we can try to see this from the bottom. It'd be cool. But getting in that brush is just very difficult. It starts way back there. It's really thick. Around the corner. I say we go back down and go for that'll be our goal for the day. And then from there we'll get out of here and go find something else.
Keep going, though. You want to just keep going?
What do you think?
Yeah. I'm up for it.
All right, we'll turn on again if we see something. But otherwise, we'll give you a view from the bottom. Okay, I did this climb with my pack on. Never leave my pack. Those of you who hike with me know that. I hate ditching my pack. If something comes up, you want to see something, you always got to go back and get it. Something comes up, you need something, you got to go back and get it. You get hurt, you can't go back, you're just dead man waiting. This is all that rock that crumbles. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know about this. So short a distance. Dude, this is so dangerous. I don't think it's possible. Yeah. What I'm saying is, there's a way out. There's a way out. Yeah, we can go over this, get up there, make our way down there, and just come around that back way. That way we're not backtracking, we don't miss anything. Up there is where 39 ends. Azusa. That's sketchy right there. All that rock just comes off. There's no cans, no signs of trash, no Mylar balloons, nothing.
Literally nothing. Literally nothing.
No stacked rocks, no graffiti.
One piece of tubing.
No
That was it.
old campfires, just nothing. So this is the end of the canyon. There's the spring back there. It flows for a little while, then it looks like it goes underground. It looks like another one over here, real green, adding to it. And then nothing for quite a ways. And picks up here and there. And then gets into a pretty good flowing stream for a while before that waterfall. I like it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. We're gonna kick back here and have a little break, get hydrated, and then head down. But we're gonna head down a different way. We're gonna go up the side of this hill and come down the way I showed you. Look, there's a fire break right there. Originally I'd planned on going up that and hitting that fire break, but that's a little, those are 6-7 foot manzanitas. They're like this. These are 10-foot manzanitas. They're hard to get through. What are these other trees here?
These are scrub oak here.
Scrub oak and manzanitas, but they're really thick. The scrub oaks are like 20 feet tall.
And then there's the lovely buckbrush with its thorns.
Okay, years ago, I have a video where I go from Hawkins, which is in back of this. There's two trees up there, very top. Those two trees are at the bottom of an incline. That incline goes up to Hawkins. So years ago, with my friend Matt, we parked one car up here, Crystal Lake, and one down at the East Fork. Spent the night at Hawkins. Then we came down here, and we crossed this, across this. We crossed rattlesnakes right in back of this. We climbed up Rattlesnake, spent the night there, and then from there we dropped down in the East Fork, hiked back to Eaton Flats, got the car, and returned. So I've walked that ridge and seen this from that side. Now I'm seeing it from this side. I doubt there's very many people that have seen it from both sides.
Not alive today. Maybe 100 years ago.
pretty neat. It's worth the hike. It's a lot of work. It's worth the hike. That's over there. That's where it drops down to the triplet rocks. They're behind this.
Yeah.
Behind this mass here. Right up there, triplet rocks. You're a little bee. So we're back in the same spot. We went all the way up this, up 3 or 4 more of these to that bowl. And then from that bowl we followed that ridge back there looking for a way down. Where'd we come down, Joey? Like right in there, right? Oh.
Where those 2 trees are, yeah.
Right here, wasn't it?
There's 2 trees up there. We came across that way.
We came down through those
I think
2.
it's actually those 2 that are leaning back farther behind that bush way up there.
Came down through there. Crossed here. And now we just wanted to check out, see what was over there. So now we're going to follow this ridge down to about that green bush and then ride ski Bandini mountain down, get a look at these falls from below, and then head out. And if we have enough time, enough daylight, we're gonna go try to score something else. That's cool though. Scored a never before seen falls. I don't know anybody who's filmed this. Of course somebody say, oh yeah, I've been there, oh, yeah, I've been there. Where's your video? Where's your film? Where's your picture?
We didn't see any footprints.
Where's your chiseled in a rock? Where's anything? I haven't seen anything of this falls. I learned about this from the sheriff of Soldier Creek before he moved. Pretty cool, huh? Heard about it from one of the old timers who lived up here. So here's that falls. Let me show you this falls here. See. So that right there is that rock I was on. Joey was on the other side. That's where I was standing. We're gonna go down and try to get a better view. Some good side action of the falls here. Look at that. That's about halfway there. There's about another half underneath it. Goes all the way down there. It's way down this deep canyon. So where I was looking at it, where I was filming from, was from right there on that rock, middle of the screen. And I climbed up and around that way. Joey was over there. So I was looking down. It's neat. Look at that. Mosque. Little place to sit right there. If you could climb up to it, I don't know. You might have to rappel down. But I want to show you this yucca. I can see. I've never seen a yucca like this. You guys see this, Joey? Look at the colors on this yucca. Look at that. You got red tips, orange, yellow, light green, green. Looks like some kind of candy.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's just starting to die.
Yep.
And we had to come all the way up there. We didn't even know what we were doing. We just got
Yeah, we
lucky
came up there, headed for that tree. That's what we were headed for. We hit that tree. We could hear the water, but it was way too steep here. Way too steep. We tried getting over here, just way too steep. So we went up above it, and we were down in it, and then we're back up above it. Now we're way up above it. Now we're going back down in it. But that's B.A. Baracus Falls. The B.A. stands for badass. The Baracus means I pity the fool trying to make their way back here.
I pity us.
That was sketchy, that last slide down.
Yeah.
That was sitting on our butts, sliding down a good 150, 200 feet.
Yep. Rocks bouncing around.
You kicked some down, hit me in the back, pegged me with 3 big boulders. Lucky thing my jam pack took the
You got me with one earlier. That's not that wasn't the first slide.
Yeah.
We had a couple of them. So, yeah. And those were one-way slides. You weren't going back up.
Yeah, and you're sliding down. You're committed, and you come to an area where it's like a cliff. You really can't get down. I suppose we could get down right here, Joey, but then getting back out, we got to come back up.
Or we'd have to walk through the bottom, and that bottoms.
Bottoms.
Yeah, there's so much dead.
That bottom's for bottom feeders.
Yes.
Okay, here's a little behind the scenes. You guys think it's easy getting out of some of these canyons? Look at this. This is what we're coming down through. Look at this.
Hello. How are you?
We got a gulch right here, and then there's about 20 quail up here, babies with a mom. Quail. But we're gonna go down here, and it'll fork in the gulch. Gonna meet up with the but then it's really steep. We got to get out of this thing as soon as possible. The bush that we just passed through is poison, so we got to get somewhere to wash up too. Limbo. Okay, we found a little place next to a river to sleep. An undisclosed place. Undisclosed. But here's what we brought for snacks. I have 2 coffees, Taster's Choice, 1 hazelnut, 1 regular. I have a Blue Harbor wild albacore tuna with water, lemon, and dill. I got some chili to put on my food, on my MRE meal. And then in the morning here, I got some Red Hill Oatmeal Classics, and I brought an Red Hill oatmeal bar with peanut butter and banana. That was delicious.
Those are great.
Split it with him. And I got me this, but it's still frozen a little. And this one's just about, I drank my whole canteen of water today. This one's just about right. I mean, little chunks of ice left in it. I'm gonna take me a little sip, and then I'm gonna slice this. It's off my dad's tree. Slice this, put half in there, and I'll save half to go with another bottle later on. And Joey brought good old hardcore soup and an onion, right? You brought an onion?
Yep, I got an onion in there.
Onion, you got hot tamales, got country gravy, sausage flavor, biscuits for breakfast, strawberry cheesecake for after dinner tonight. So for dinner, I'll split this MRE with you, and you'll split the soup, right?
Sounds good.
Right on. And we'll split this albacore right now. So, a hard hike, huh?
I'm beat.
Yeah, it was. We started at 6, went in at 6.
Yes.
And we came out at what time?
It was about 12:45, so somewhere around there. Say 12:45.
No, it wasn't 2. It was 8. We said 8 hours.
Oh, that's right. It was like 2:30.
Yeah.
It was like 2:30.
So
Right.
it was 8 hours. Into that falls and back out was 8 hours. Here, well, I don't know if it's gonna show up, but look at that, my arm, it's just blown out.
We're dirty.
We'll clean up in the river, and wash up with the poison oak and stinging nettles and whatever those poison berries were.
And those freaking little bugs.
That's dinner for today. Overall, it was a great day. It was a great day.
Yep. Success. Found the nice thing about the way we came in that waterfall. If we had gone in the other way,
If we would have gone in any other way,
we wouldn't have gotten
we would
up
have
on
failed.
top.
We would have heard it, but not been able to see
No.
it. We would have failed.
Nope.
We just got lucky and chose the right trail.
And we got to see it from up on top.
Yep.
And we came around and got to see it from the bottom too. You couldn't have done it the other way.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
I had the albacore in the MRE. Got this chicken noodle stew. I'm gonna make that now. Also came with corn nuts, fruit punch, but I put lemon in there now. Fruit punch will be for later. Oh, and some oatmeal cookies. We split everything right down the middle. And some Smarties. Okay, there's the chicken stew with crackers and some chili on it. And don't know how it tastes. Give it a shot, Joey. The crackers would be like the crust.
A little bit like dumpling. And
Tell you what, I'm hungry, and it's good. Tyvek.
No.
One of Joey's all-time staples now has become hardcore. Fideos con tomato, tomato-based pasta soup mix. And you did what? First you
oh, this is the trick. Is just
some
saute.
fresh onions and butter, a little.
Yep. That's all you need. Makes all the difference.
And I got my Snow Peak stove going here with some water. I'm gonna make this deep enriched MRE
MRE
coffee, and I'm gonna mix it with Taster's Choice. Bam! Now, Joey here had an idea some of you might be interested in. We're gonna do a summer camp out at the, I think it's August, when the berries come into
Baldy. Yeah, the berry.
when the berries come in to ripeness in Baldy. I think it's August, I believe. I'll have to check back on it. If you guys want to check on my videos, check back. You'll see where my daughter and I made a pie. We've been doing it for years now.
But what if you wanted even fresher pie? What if you wanted to bake the pie right next to the bush that you picked it off of?
Yeah, and break off a branch from the bush and stir the pie with the branch.
The hell you say?
So, any of you want to go to a summer camp out at Mount Baldy at the Boy Scout camp, the lower Boy Scout camp, in between the fire station and in between the upper tunnel. You got the two tunnels going up. Right after the last tunnel, there's a gate on the right. You can park there. A few cars can park there. Otherwise, you got to go up and park at what's the name? Barrett Stoddard. Barrett Stoddard. Yeah, and hike down.
Is that
from Barrett Stoddard? Right by before the school. You got to hike down river. The other one you hike up. But Barrett Stoddard, there's a plaque to him over off the 138 by Silverwood Lake.
Oh,
He's on that plaque.
That's right.
Yeah, Barrett and Stoddard, two guys, I believe. Go up there, we'll have a camp out, make some killer foods and some homemade blackberry pies.
Blackberry pies.
Mount Baldy, fresh off the vine. Strawberry cheesecake. You mix that up and had it chilling in the river for about an hour.
Yep.
And then you
While we were eating dinner,
and then you just added what?
It's the crumble. It's the pecan ginger snap crumble on
and
top.
Packet Gourmet.
Packet Gourmet.
They make another one, banana, that's really good.
Yeah, they make a banana cream something, and they also banana pudding. That's the one. And then they make a lemon cheesecake, and then they make a Boston cream like pie. All the same like this. They're expensive, but they're worth every penny. They're delicious.
It's like an actual pie.
Yep.
Look at that. Pie. Mmm. Mmm.
Pretty good?
Really good. So we went to sleep last night before 9, right? At 8:40.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I was going to shoot a flashlight video, but I touched up the whole way through. This bag, if you're looking for a summer bag, this bag is a great bag. Near zero. It's about a pound, I think. 700 down. It's got the regular footbox, loads of room. You can get the zipper, work on either side. You can flip it upside down, because they're exactly the same. Top and bottom are exactly the same, and there's no, it's not a mummy bag, so there's no head, but you do have a drawstring. Close it up. That thing is extremely comfortable, extremely light. It packs down to the size. It packs down almost the size of that canteen, like a little cantaloupe. If you use the compression sack, I just shoved it in the bottom of my pack, but I used it in combination with the Z-Lite and the Thermarest 1 inch or 3/4. I don't know, the short pad. That's what I sleep on at home every day. I can't sleep in the bed. Something to do with my back. But got a great night's sleep. Just search the name online. I'll add a link if I remember if you're interested. But I just bought it off of an advertisement I saw on Facebook. They hit me up on Facebook. They didn't, me personally, it just appeared and checked it out. And great bag. It's about 6 in the morning now. Making some biscuits and gravy, some coffee, some oatmeal, and head on out. With the water being as low as it is, we've seen something back here. It's we've nothing to back it up, but judge for yourself. It looks like an old foundation, a big one. That looks like a room divided where the walls are. I have a telescope where I'm looking at it. Looks like the rooms were divided. Got the retaining wall to hold up the ground. Back there, look at that. I don't know, what do you think? You got this weird shape here out here. Looks like the perfect spot, perfect clearing, all the way around here where they cleared it out. And who knows, maybe they had a little ranch there, a few cattle, who knows. All that history's lost.
It looks like it's they're farming out there. They're doing something.
Yeah, it looks like the rice paddies are growing. Used to be a spot where you used to go down here, where you used to be able to sneak down there and fish. Go check it out. So we're down here, not going to go all the way down. It's pretty steep. But right here there used to be a little peninsula that went out maybe 30 feet. And you could go out in it on a sunny morning, look out, and you could see massive, the fins, dorsal fins from massive carp swimming near the top. Carp, 15, 20 pounds. There were probably some huge fish in here. Hummingbird, look at that. Been following us all weekend long. 2 of them now. Oh, he's landed right there. Let's see if I can get him.
Government surveillance drone.
Where is he?
Right there.
Look at him. It's a government drone watching us.
Ancient alien theorists believe that the technologies exist.
Yeah, did you see that bee? They were filming that little bee. Now look at this. Look at when the swallows come back to Capistrano.
Oh,
Look at this canyon over there. A little waterfall. It's dry right now. It looks like it's oozing some water, not much. Come down through there and would add to the collective. All of these are little springs. That's how they were formed. But when these dams were built back here and they flooded these basins down here, these valleys, the old road coming in that the prospectors and miners used to use to get back here was down there. So they had to move that up here. And a few ranches and a few houses and cabins and mines were flooded down there and covered and lost. They still remain, although they're under 10, 20, 30 feet of silt by now. There is still stuff to be discovered up here, even after over 100 years.